I zdravo ljudi, danas ponovo igramo Spec Ops Line. Da. Sad se spustamo niz ovaj konopčić. Dobro. Evo ga. Čak nešto malo baguje. Dobro. Sad nije.
Smell that? Someone's definitely been living down here, if you can call it that. I call it survival. I've been this way since the first storm.
What the fuck?
It's hard to give him a reason to start killing soldiers. You remember you saw upstairs, gave him a reason. Yeah, but why? What should I do? Got a light up ahead. Go take a look. You're the boss.
Let's go.
Come on, follow me. Everyone be cool. We got civilians down here. Nice place. You guys seen this shit? Silk curtains, silverware, some nice crystal. Fuck, they got a piano too? I'm in the wrong line of work. Luca, quiet. Sorry. Nah. Look how they're lined up. This was an execution. It's like the combat death squads. Shit. Yeah. Someone's here. Follow me and stay quiet.
We're gonna keep at this until you tell me what I want to know. How many soldiers are stationed at the water depot?
Get your lesson while you can, Agent. 33rd's on their way here right now.
Damn, can't say. The 33rd lost their balls the day they went.
Dobra, enter.
Lower your weapon.
Shot him. Yeah, I did. Adams, check the body. Damn. All this stuff is CIA. This must have been their safe house. Hiding behind civilians? Not the manliest of tactics. It's normal for the CIA. Yeah, but killing U.S. soldiers isn't. That soldier could have led us to Conrad. Yeah? Or an ambush. You don't know that. True. But that's a call I made, and I gotta live with it. Y'all stand back. We got daylight up ahead. That's all right. Follow me. Shit! Return fire! But they're soldiers! They will kill us if we don't! Now open fire! We're done the boss! We're here now! The words friendly fucking fire mean anything to you! Jesus Christ! We're not CIA!
Heads up! Shotgun are coming our way! Watch out, man!
Reloading! Cover me!
Alright. We need to keep moving before more soldiers show up. We need more American soldiers? Rogue soldiers. It's clear the 33rd is no longer acting as part of the U.S. Army. So what do we do? We're gonna sort this out. We need to find John Conrad. How's that help? You just said the 33rd Rogue. Conrad wouldn't abandon his duty. The 33rd may be hostile, but I guarantee the colonel isn't part of it. How can you be sure? Because I know the man. Get
Ajde
that over. Now,
brži. No ja ću oditi. Vers 2 pis mikrofon i ja. Ovdje ima da bude rešetanje.
We're gonna kill them all. Can't let that happen, Walker.
We're not going to.
Let's hurry up and get down there. Follow me.
I know there's a lot of you asking the same question right now. Why? Well, I'd like to ask you the same thing. There was no reason for any of this. We made truce. You broke it. We gave you a chance to surrender.
Ljudi, to bi bilo to. I ljudi, to bi bilo to. Ćao, bye bye, vidimo se u sljedećem